Hi there! For this video, we'll be talking about how to add polynomials. So, we'll explain this through showing several examples. So, let's first write out adding polynomials. So let us start with this first example. If we have this polynomial 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 8. So how do we add this one? Well, the key step in this one is to add the like terms. So for this one, when we say like terms, what we mean is these are the terms that has the same variable in it. So for this one, 2x and 3x are like terms since their variable is x. So they are similar in that one. So we write 2 plus 3x here, which is simply 5x. So as you can observe, what we actually add is their coefficients only. For the next one, we have 1 and 8. These are also like terms since they are both similar in the way that they both don't have any variables beside it. So we add that one out. Let's put the 9 out here since 8 plus 1 is 9. And this is the answer for this problem. As simple as that. Let's go on to our next example. If we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 2. So how do we solve this one? Again, we combine the like terms. So first is x squared and 3x squared since they both have the same variable of x squared. So even though it is not written, we know that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So 1 x squared plus 3x squared is simply adding its coefficients, and that is 4x squared. How about for the next one? We have 2x and 5x since they both have the same variable. So adding the coefficients, -2 minus 5 would give us with -7x. Lastly, we have 1 and -2. So combining that 2 would give us 1 minus 2 is -1. And so this is the answer for this polynomials. Let's go on to our next example. If we have xy plus 3x squared plus 4y squared plus 5x squared minus 2xy plus 5. So how do we add these? First, again, we add the like terms. So for the first one, xy, its like terms in the next polynomial is this 2xy. Again, since xy in here doesn't have a coefficient, we assume that it is 1. So we add that one. So 1 minus 2xy would give us with negative xy. For the next term, we have 3x squared. Its like term on the next polynomial is 5x squared. So adding that would give us 3 plus 5 would give us 8x squared. So again, that is how we add the terms. We just simply add the coefficients of those variables. Next, we have 4y squared. On the next polynomial, does it have a like term? Well, not really, since the only term left is 5 and it doesn't have a coefficient of y squared. So what we do is we simply copy it out here. And lastly, we have 5. Again, it doesn't have a like term out here, or I mean in this polynomial. So we simply copy it out here. And this is the answer already. So again, when there is no like term in the other polynomial, we simply copy the term on our final answer. Let's have this next example. If we have 5ax minus 6ay minus 6bx plus 7ay minus 7bx plus 10ax. Now, in this one, all terms have a variable, but it's rearranged in various positions. So we need to be careful in finding out the like terms in this one. So first is 5ax. Its like term in the other polynomial is this one, since its variable is also ax. So adding that one out would give us coefficients. So 10 plus 5 give us 15ax. For the next one, we have negative 6ay. Its like term on the other polynomial is 7ay. Adding the coefficients would give us plus 1ay, or simply plus ay. Lastly, we have negative 6bx. Its like term on the other one is negative 7bx. Adding that 2 out would give us negative 13bx. And this is the final answer. Let's have this one last example. If we have 4 times 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x plus 3 times 3x squared minus 6x cubed plus 10x. Now for this one, we have a number outside the polynomials. So what do we do with that? Now the key thing, although we're still not in multiplying polynomials, is if there is a coefficient out the polynomial, what we do is we distribute it to each term. That. And so this one is equal to 4 times 2x squared is, we simply multiply it to the coefficient since it's like repeated addition. So this would become 8x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x plus, for the next one, it is 9x squared minus 18x cubed plus 30x. And now we can add these polynomials by adding its like terms. So first is 8x cubed. Its like term and the other is negative 18x cubed. Adding the coefficients would give us with negative 10x cubed. For the next one, we have 24x squared. Its like term is 9x squared. Adding that 2 out would give us with 32x squared. Lastly, we have negative 32x. Let's use a different color. This one. Its like term is 30x. So adding that 2 out would give us with negative 2x. And this one is our final answer. So that is how we add polynomials. Again, the key term is what we add are the like terms. How do we add like terms? We add the coefficients of the like terms. And then, after that, if there is a coefficient or a constant number outside of the polynomial, we start by multiplying it to the polynomial inside, each term of the polynomial inside. Although we're still not in multiplying polynomials, this is a good warm-up or preview for that topic. And so again, just take note of these examples, try them out for yourself, and comment down below your suggestion for future videos like this or on different topics. And so that is all for this video.